I am Samantha Rain, the development chef here at Henley Bridge, and in today's video I'm going to show you the technique of marble tempering. For all the tools and ingredients used in this video, please see the description section. Tempering our chocolate is a very important step. We must make sure that we are hitting those critical temperatures to ensure that we get that nice shiny glossy finish and the snap. So first we need to decide what chocolate we're going to use, as this will determine what temperature we need to work towards. Most couverture chocolate that you'll buy will state on the bag what working temperature you need to go for. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure that our chocolate is melted to 45 degrees. Now the chocolate that I'm using here is a strawberry chocolate that I've made myself. For more details on flavouring your own chocolate, please do see our other videos. What we're going to do is we're going to pour out 2/3 of the chocolate onto the cold marble, and we're going to keep 1/3 of the chocolate in the bowl. The 1/3 that's remaining in the bowl we want to keep to as close to 45 degrees as possible. I've got a cloth that I'm going to place the bowl onto to ensure that the bottom of the bowl doesn't get cold. So now the fun part. It is a little bit messy, but that's the best bit. We pour out 2/3 onto the marble. What we're going to do is we're just going to keep moving the chocolate around the marble slab, keeping it moving all the time and bringing it back into the middle. We just really want to cool down this chocolate as quickly as possible. Again, moving it back out. We need to bring this down to approximately 27 degrees. Now you can use a probe when you're doing this, but you will also notice that the chocolate itself starts to get quite thick. Notice now how the chocolate is starting to look much thicker. Repeat the process until you can see that it's visibly thicker, or if you probe it, it's at 27 degrees. Now we need to get this off of the marble. Now we've got both of our two temperatures in the same bowl. We're going to give it a really good mix just to make sure that they're really well combined. Test it with the thermometer to make sure that you're at the right working temperature. This is white chocolate, so I'm aiming for somewhere between 29 and 30 degrees. I still always like to do a test just to make sure. So take a piece of greaseproof paper and just place some of the chocolate on it and leave it one side so we can check the set. Great, we've checked our temper. That looks perfect to me. So now this is ready to go into a piping bag and into our bar mould.